what computer is and the components, and then we had few basic concepts of accounting. Okay, so before we go to Tally, there are a few more topics to discuss. Okay, I would like to ask few people questions about yesterday's discussion. Mm, what are the three types of accounts, Vandana?
Ma'am, real accounts, nominal accounts, and personal accounts.
Vaishnavi, what is
Nominal account.
mm, Vaishnavi, what is personal account?
Hello, ma'am.
Tell me.
Hello. Can you hear, ma'am?
Yeah, yeah.
It involves artificial person, natural person, and representative person, ma'am. It is about debit what the receiver, credit the giver.
Basically, all the accounts related to person or a firm will be created in this account. Real account, mm, Lavanya,
Yes, ma'am.
real account. You just put them in your own words. It's not compulsory for you to.
Real account are the account of properties like assets or things
Okay.
with
So it
which a
consists of
business deal takes place.
yeah. So it consists of assets and liabilities. Okay. Um, Nominal account. Sandhya. Yeah, and before I forget, I want you to put your full name in the attendance class. Everyone, I want you to put your full name, okay? Because I might have people with here one name and in your attendance, your college attendance one name. So it is difficult for me to find you out. So I want you to please put your full names so that in the attendance I can just it's easy for me to see that particular person. So we might have more number of same name people, right? So please put your full name or the initials or last name or whatever it is. And please put the same name in every class. Don't one day put half first name and one day put full name. Okay. So you go to a normal petty shop, okay? Maybe you just buy a kg of rice and a kg of dal there. So you ask him for a bill, okay? What is that content in the bill? What will be there in the bill? I'm just talking about a normal grocery shop, not no marts or supermarkets. I'm just talking about it.
The item we have purchased and its price and or GST and all that.
Mm, really? I asked him for a bill, so I don't
Invoice
think he
number.
would have. I'm clearly telling you, it's a small grocery shop, a small petty shop,
What
petty
about
shop where
GST now? The name of the product and its price.
correct. So they'll just write in a paper a name of your only because you have asked, right? So your the item and the price. Same way you go to buy a mobile phone and you ask for a bill. What is there in that bill? What is there in that mobile bill?
The
Making
original price
charges.
of yeah, the original
Is
price of the phone, GST,
mm,
and
mm, mm. Anyone else to add
Discount
on?
name of the shop.
Okay. Mm. Anyone else
Date,
to add
service
more?
charges, or any free accessories that are provided, everything is mentioned in the bill.
Yes. Anything else
Ma'am,
to
there
add
will be
on?
invoice number.
Yes. So
Date
everyone is
when
right.
we have purchased.
Correct. Then anything else to add on? So you will have warranties or guarantee, and then you will have about the product, right? So as one of you said, about what all is bought with this product, so that will be there. What all you have got with this product is there. Yes, one of you told address. Yes, they'll take our number, they'll take our phone number, they will have the shop name, GST number, and then GSTs, the taxes, everything will be there in this bill. Okay, so there is a difference between that. Bill is nothing but something, a proof for a purchase. Okay, bill is a proof for a purchase. What you get, what these all details is called a standardized bill. We call them as invoice. Okay, invoice is a standardized bill. So where you have all these details in it. So basically in Tally, what we will be doing is we will be doing invoices. Okay, so I write sundry debtors and sundry creditors yesterday, no? Like I told you, all the customers are creditors, all the suppliers are debtors. Hmm?
Yes, ma'am, completed.
So nobody corrected me.
Actually, all the suppliers are called as debtors and sorry, ma'am. All
Customers are
the
known as debtors and
called as
suppliers are known as
debtors and
creditors.
the suppliers called as
Okay.
creditors.
Okay. Yes. So the next, um, you know about financial year, no? So it usually starts from 1st of April and 31st of March. So similarly, we have this financial year. Similarly, different countries have different financial years. So I want you to list me 5 different financial years before by tomorrow's class. Okay. So what will you do is you will do this assignment. Um, no, okay. I will see that in the next class. I will tell you. Whoever I mention will take a photo of your written thing and send me in the group. Don't send. Whoever I mention in the class, they will send me this photographs. But I want everyone to write this. I repeat, a financial period of 5 different countries, 5 different financial years.
Ma'am, can you tell it again, ma'am?
Financial year, our financial year is 31st, sorry, April 1st to March 31st, right? So such there are different financial years, 1st Jan to December, June to July. So this I want you to give me 5 different financial year of different countries. Mention the countries and give me the list. It's an assignment for tomorrow. Now don't tell me, man, who told you not give me assignment? It's not even take me 5 minutes to do. Okay, I'll just share my screen. see my screen, everyone? Class, you can see my screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Just one or two.
Yes, ma'am.
Click on this one. Let's take a this. Next, write down invoice. Standardized bill is the invoice. So bill invoice contains any 3 or 4 of these you can write down. Okay, next is the journal entry. I will give you some questions for the journal entry. So I want you to um, pass the entries, and then we will discuss the entries. Um, I shall repeat. Take down first one. Dates we can skip. Just I'll give you the general entries. Just pass. Remember what the amount is coming from you or the amount is going from you. Okay. The first question. Let's see. I'll just give you one trial. People who are not. So if the money is coming from you, coming to you, then debit. If the money is going from you, then it is credit. Keep that simple thing in the mind and try solving it. People who are not from accounting background, you can just do this, which is debit, which is credit. Whether the amount is coming to you, whether the amount is not, whether the amount is going from you. Then when we solve, we will just get an idea about what it is. Okay, let's take down Mr. A. I'm class. I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Mr. A started a business with cash 1 lakh. The second paid paid we can just say deposit to bank 20,000. Deposit to bank 20,000. 20,000. Then purchase goods of
Ma'am, can you repeat
15,000. From the first question or the
the
last one?
second question?
Okay, a deposit to bank 20,000.
Can you repeat the third statement, ma'am?
Purchase goods 50,000. Drew cash. You just write down withdrawn cash from bank 10,000. Withdrawn cash 10,000. Sold goods to Mr. X. Sold goods to Mr. X 15,000.
Can you repeat the amount, ma'am?
15,000. 15.
Ma'am, could you repeat the very first question? I got everything else except the first one.
started business with 1 lakh. That is your capital. Okay. Next. Sold goods to Mr. X. Bought goods from ABC. Bought goods from ABC. 20,000. Okay. Next. Received Mr. X returned goods. Mr. X returned goods 2000. Mr. X returned goods 2000. Paid cash to ABC 20,000. Paid rent 5,000. Paid salary 10,000. Paid rent 5,000. Paid salary 10,000. Okay, now please solve this. Okay, and once done, put up your hands up. Now what I want you to do is, once you are done, put a hands up there and take a photo of what you've done and put it in the group. All 40 of you. 30, 38. Please let me know if you have any doubt. Um, Ma'am, can you
Ma'am.
please repeat everything? Everything.
Uh,
Tell me,
Ma'am,
Nishita.
do we have to draw like the format as well?
It's up to you. It's not required. I just want you to know a journal entry, debtor, creditor.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Okay. Can anyone please repeat the questions once? Or if anyone can just take a photo of what you have written and send it to the group,
Ma'am, I'm
please.
repeating the questions.
Yeah, please.
First one, Mr. A started a business with cash rupees 1 lakh. Second one, paid deposit to bank rupees 20,000. Third one, purchased goods for rupees 50,000. 50. Fourth one, withdraw cash from bank 10,000. Fifth one, sold goods to X rupees 15,000. 15. Number 6, bought goods from ABC 20,000. Number 7, Mr. X returns goods worth 2,000, paid cash to ABC 20,000, paid rent 5,000, and last one, paid salary 10,000.
Thank you. Anyone else? Amrita?
Yes, ma'am.
So you were the one who's non-commerce background, no? Yesterday you told me, or that was Gayatri, I'm not sure. So
Yes,
just
ma'am.
yeah, just see the golden rules ones, what comes in, what goes out. So you just try, like whatever is going from you, the money is going from you, then put that in credit. If the money is coming to you, put that in debit.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just try that, and then one by one, when we go and solve, you just get an idea of that. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Even I'm from non-commerce background, arts background.
Yeah, you also do the same, Trupti. If
Yes,
by one class, two class, you get an idea about how you need to solve them. Okay. Maybe today it is little difficult for you people to understand, but then one by one it is easier for you. Once we start with the software, it is easier for you. Okay. But then I don't want you to sit idle. I want you to solve, even if it is wrong. It's okay. I'm not giving you any marks for this. So if it is wrong, it's okay. I just want you to solve, take a picture, and put it in.
okay.
How is it class? Easy to do. Do it as soon as possible.
Ma'am, what are we supposed to do after writing the entries?
That's all. You just take a photo and send it in.
Personally or on the group, ma'am?
Or just wait for, just put a thumbs up here. Let's wait. Then everyone will see yours on right. So we'll just wait for 2-3 minutes more. Put a thumbs up. And at once everyone can send it. Once you're done. Maybe here if I can find at least 10-15 people done. Okay. Done. Now please enter the group. I want all 38 of you to send the written in the group.
Ma'am, my phone is not working. If you want, I can switch on my camera and show you the journal entries.
Okay, we'll do that later. So 37 of you is in. Come on, class, send me. You not received even one. No?
Oh,
You need
ma'am,
to do
should
a
I show
little.
you the work?
No, no, I'll ask you, Ishita.
Okay.
We'll wait for others to send the pictures and then while discussing, I'll ask you the.
Ma'am, do we send it in the WhatsApp group or personally?
No, no, WhatsApp group, please. No personal messages. Group. You have that group, no, where we get that link. That group only. I want it with the amount we are supposed to. 7 of you. I think most of you are right on. So just Ishita, you can show me now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, now let's just see. I'm not correcting your things. I just want to know that you're doing. That's all. Okay, we're going to discuss it here. Now, what is the first question? Maybe one by you can answer yourself, or I can take the names. Mr. A started a business with cash 1 lakh. One of you.
Cash account debit 1 lakh to
Capital.
capital account.
Cash account debit to capital account. Okay. Next, pay deposit to bank 20,000.
Bank account debtor to cash account.
Bank account, cash account. Okay. Drew cash from bank 10,000. Sorry, purchase goods 50,000.
Purchase account debit to cash account.
Okay, so here you are purchasing, right? So you are getting the goods, you are giving the cash. So it is credit. Then drew cash from bank 10,000.
Cash account debit to bank account.
Okay. So drew means you are getting the cash. So you are getting the cash is debit. You are from where you are getting the cash is credit. So from bank you are getting to you are getting the cash. And sold goods to Mr. X 15,000.
Mr. X account debit to sales account.
Sold goods to Mr. X. Okay. Bought goods from ABC.
Purchase account debit to ABC account.
Mm, you are purchasing. That means what is going from you? You're purchasing, it is somewhere like you purchase goods only. But instead of just goods, we are mentioning a person. So
Mr. X to
without,
sales account.
mm, see, sold goods to Mr. X. Mm. So cash is going from you, right? Sorry, we are doing the second. We bought goods from ABC. We are doing the sixth question. Sorry. Mm. So you are getting the goods, but cash is going from you, right? So either it will be Mr. X to cash account or purchase account to cash account. Sorry, ABC. Received Mr. X returned goods. What is that? Was that the question I told like that? Received Mr. X returned goods? No. Anyone else who can just correct?
It's
I'm very
bought
knowledgeable.
goods from ABC 20,000.
That is done, no? I told
Yes,
no.
ma'am.
It is purchase,
Yes.
purchase and cash or ABC. After that, seventh question.
Mr. X returned goods 2000.
Huh. So it did not receive. Mr. X
Can you
returned
repeat
goods
the
to
sixth answer?
sixth answer about goods. It will be purchase account to cash account. Or it will be ABC account. See, anything is right. ABC account to cash account or purchase account to cash account. Why, how, I come to you. You can write purchase account to cash account. Then seventh question, return goods. Return goods 2000. Mm. Anyone? So it will be sales return to cash, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then paid cash to ABC.
Shouldn't be sales return to Mr. X.
Sorry.
It has to be
See,
sales return account to Mr. X.
from Mr. X, I here we will not have both. Either one we must have cash or bank. Like I am taking the money or I am giving the money. No? So, or you can see it's written from what person. You can put that in the narration. Like goods sold for so and so person received returned. Paid cash to ABC 20,000.
ABC account debit to cash account.
Hmm. Paid rent 5,000. Rent to cash.
Rent account to
Rent
cash
account
account.
debit to cash account.
Yeah. Salary.
Salary account
Same.
debit to cash account.
Yeah. Okay. So everyone is clear. Anyone wants any answers? Everyone is clear with this. Okay.
Ma'am, the eighth one, ma'am.
What is the one? Paid cash. ABC to cash.
Thank you, ma'am.
I'll give you one or two more journal entries. Maybe in further classes, I'll give you so that you get a little hands-on with the debit and credit part. Okay. Give you a gist of what Tally is. So, as I was, I asked yesterday, like, why Tally, why you required, why are you in this course and all this. So, you people answered means in accounting software, we
Ma'am, your
use
voice
to
is
for.
low.
Now you can hear me. Now you can hear me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So basically, we spoke like what Rally is and why is it, and why did you take this course and all. So you mentioned deeply useful for your job and the accounting thing. So you are commerce based. So all these answers we discussed yesterday. So yes, it's an accounting based software where why? So basically here all accounting and inventory part is done. So inventory is stock. Okay. So here remember like if, your 11th and 12th when you started with your accounts. So you had this, you had to do journal entries, then put them in ledgers, then do your balance sheet, trial balance, profit and loss accounts, so and so and so, make them get tallied, make them. So you had to do all this process, right? So you've seen what this is. So similarly, imagining these all these point to be done in a office, done in a company with so much of transactions, with so many um, clients. So it is very difficult to maintain. So like you want something of 2021, then you have to take that particular year's ledger, open that book, and see what had happened in that year. And if you want something in 3 months before, then take that book. So it's so much of these are all the bookkeeping what you do, right? So you've all learned how you do, and you know the process. Like only after you do journal entries, you do the ledger. Only after you do the ledger, you can do with the balance sheet. You will get to know what how in what account what is there. So it's all are this process. This all process only is done in Tally, but it is done in a very simpler way. Like only thing what I need to do in Tally is to pass the journal entry. Once the journal entry is passed, automatically my ledgers are updated. That is, my ledgers are going to get updated. For example, if I say purchased from Mr. X, so Mr. X account I will have created the ledger. So automatically Mr. X account 1 lakh rupees will be there. It will show that whether you have paid or not paid in Mr. X account. It will show me. Similarly, so sales, you have sold to ABC 50,000. It will show you, okay, you had purchased for 40,000, you are selling it for 50,000. So all these things will be very simpler in Tally. Everything will be seen. You just have to do a journal entry. You just have to pass this, and everything else, your balance sheet, your analysis, your GST things, that is the tax thing, your inventory part automatically. For example, if you have purchased 10 laptops, your stock in the laptop gets increased. You don't have to increase, it will increase. Then you sell 2 laptops, automatically the stock in your the inventory shows 8. Okay, so this is what happens in time. So it is very easier, simpler way, makes your work very easy. So I did not go through these topics, you know, right? What is gross profit, net profit. So just take a glance, not required to write now, just take a glance. So before Tally Solutions, now it is called as Tally Solutions Private Limited. Before this, it was called as Petronic Limited. So this is the offices in Bangalore, Electronic City, and Shyam Sundar Goenka was the founder, and now his son Bharat Goenka is the co-founder. He's the MD of this company. Okay, so this is just a gist about the history. Just take this note; it will be useful for your knowledge as well as in the examination. Please take this a note. This is visible, or you want me to do it in screen slideshow?
It's visible.
Please take a note and thumbs up once done. I think I have a very poor network. Are you able to hear what I'm talking? Sorry, I have a very bad network today. Am I audible? I think.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is a multilingual software where you can add different languages. And then before it was just Tally. And then when it came to Tally ERP, what happened is this. For example, if you have your company in Bangalore, okay, and then and you're in Chennai. So being in Chennai, you can see your uh, account things, that is through this called something called remote connectivity, where you will have to purchase this add-on, and then you will get this passwords and ID for it. So wherever you are, you can open and you can see your activities, your account, your tally things, what's happening. Okay, let's take down this. One second. Okay. Um, what I want you to do is class. I'm so sorry. Please don't take this as Tally ERP9. Take it as Tally Prime. I'm so sorry. I opened the wrong. Give me a second. I'll share my screen. Okay, my screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Already clicked on this. So you don't have to take down. Just these are the releases, okay? Like from Tally P9 we came to Tally Prime. They'll be all one-on-one add-on features after every release. So TallyPrime is Tally is the most reputed and oldest accounting software. So what all includes in a Tally software is under this. You'll be doing your sales, purchase, all your receivables, tracking the invoices, inventory, that is your stock management, bank transactions, that is you can also give your check details here. It automatically, yes, you have check printing here. The statutory means your taxing. Okay, so I want you to please take down this. Something I wanted to ask something. Please put a thumbs up if you want. So maybe from tomorrow's class we'll start with and then again, let's see, in between one theory class again. Okay, it's all like whatever I told you, we just discussed this about. So just read this once, you don't have to write this down, okay? But I want you to read this. This is all what we just discussed, what all Tally does. Okay, so you go to the one second, please. And just show you the Tally screen. Share that. www.tallysolutions.com. You can see about the software. Just go through everyone. So in that download, you can get the TallyPrime downloads, but then don't do that. I will do that and show you. Okay, in the next class. Only then you do with me only. Because once you download, you get a setup, and then when that does not open, you have a lot of questions on that. So it's better you wait for me. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, I think till now whatever I was talking, you're not able to do. Okay, there are few things which I want you to take down. Just thinking, we'll do that in the next class. I think we'll take this topic in the next class. It will take a little more time, and we just have 10 minutes more. You just sit
Ma'am,
down with
should
me.
we download that app, ma'am?
No, 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 don't do that, don't do that. That's what I was telling. I don't know if you are able to hear me or not. There's some network issues. That's what I was telling. Please don't download anything unless until I download it. I just showed you today. Unless until I do that in front of you, don't download because then it lasts for setup, then some settings. So don't do that. We'll do that in the next class only. When I am doing it, you do it. For now, just write down like transaction, which involves transfer of money or money's worth between two accounts. Cash transaction, immediate receipt. Credit means a later paid. You can just view it, just read it, okay? You don't have to write down each and every topic in the notes. Only stock and revenue you want to take the topic. The type data we already did in yesterday's class. There are two more topics to discuss, that is assumption and principle. So maybe I'll just do that. That'll take somewhere 20 minutes or something. This topic, and then maybe in tomorrow's class we can start with practicals. Stock is there.